Introducing the Gedore MTS 400 mechanical torque tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with precision and accuracy. Manufactured by Gedore, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this mechanical torque tester is an indispensable addition to any quality control or assembly workstation. With a torque range of 0.8 to 4 Newton meters, the MTS 400 caters to a wide variety of applications, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty fastening tasks. The tool features a 1/4 hex and square drive, providing versatility to accommodate different types of fasteners and attachments. The clear and precise scale on the MTS 400 allows for accurate and effortless torque readings, ensuring consistent and reliable measurements. Gedore has engineered the MTS 400 with high-quality materials, ensuring its durability and longevity even in demanding industrial environments. The ergonomic design of the MTS 400 minimizes user fatigue during prolonged use, promoting comfort and productivity on the assembly line. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Gedore MTS 400 mechanical torque tester. Its versatility, accuracy, and durability make it an essential tool for quality control and assembly professionals. Invest in the MTS 400 and experience precise and reliable torque measurements that enhance your assembly processes.